Since the beginning of the coronavirus crisis, we at Airbus have taken decisive actions to keep people safe from the virus and to protect the business from the gravest crisis our industry has ever known. We have quickly implemented a number of short-term protective measures which have given us some time to assess in depth the impact of this crisis on our customers, on our company, and on our supply chain. As part of these important measures, we have significantly reduced our commercial aircraft production and made extensive use of the partial unemployment schemes introduced by our governments. These measures have allowed us to weather the early stages of the economic shock resulting from the COVID-19 pandemic. For many of our commercial aircraft customers, and as a consequence for the sector as a whole, the path to recovery will prove slow and fragile, and a large amount of uncertainty still lies ahead. It has, unfortunately, now become clear that the crisis the aviation sector is facing will be of a length and magnitude that calls for more structural and wide-ranging actions. This is why we are announcing the next step of our adaptation to our new business environment. We need to act now by adapting our workforce to reflect the new situation in the commercial aircraft sector and protect the longer-term future of the company. We thank our governmental partners for their support, which has helped to significantly mitigate the necessary reduction in workforce. But given the scale of the crisis and the share of our business that has disappeared for the foreseeable future, there's still a need for adaptation. This means we consider that a reduction of positions cannot be avoided. We will work with our social partners to further limit the impact of this adaptation plan on Airbus employees. This is, of course, a matter of deep regret and something that, as a management team, we would have preferred to avoid. However, it's our duty to face reality as it stands. We do not take this step lightly, but we have come to the conclusion that we must act now to safeguard Airbus and protect its future. In this situation, we remain determined to preserve, as far as possible, the unique expertise in our company and to limit the impact of this crisis on the people and communities that depend on us. Airbus will recover, and it's our employees and their skills that will keep driving our recovery and fulfill our purpose of pioneering sustainable aerospace for a safe and united world, a purpose that will matter more than ever in the post-crisis landscape. We will be making regular updates while strictly following the relevant social processes. In the meantime, stay safe.